Tap Essentials video, I will be teaching the open third. Three components: touch, heel dig, spank. Make 3 beats or sounds. Keep your ankles loose and relaxed. Try 4 open thirds in a row. Practice time. Speed it up. One more time, even faster. Try it on the other side. Don't forget those loose ankles. Practice time. Speed it up. One more time, even faster. Anybody seen Wonder Woman 1984? I haven't seen it yet. So what's going on with you? What's happening in your life?